The key tussle is going on in court number 3 between Adarsh and Divesh. First set, Divesh winning in 1 hour 3 minutes after a very good shots, and 6-4. And in the second set, Adarsh Deepa Batla from Andhra Pradesh make a comeback with winning the second set in just 33 minutes, 6-1. So third set decided is in progress. Dishes service, pass point. It's 15 love for Divesh. So it's a keen contest in the final set of the semi-final of this under 12 ITA National at Mumbai in the early morning. It's a full set. Yes, it's 15 all. The player who will keep the cool and will play with the patience can win this semi-final. Very crucial. So 15 all, 1-1 set equalized. Adarsh has made a good comeback here in the second set, winning 6-1, and third and final decider set in progress, 15 all. It's a double for Divesh, and it's a 15-30. Adarsh should keep some patience here and can win this semi-final against Divesh, because he is having good service here and should play with patience. Making attacks again. Good draw by Adarsh here, just kissing the line from outside here, and is making his 40-15 up.
Hello. Girls under 16. Second semi-final. Court number 5.
Shot with Divesh.
R. Avinika.
Oh, unfortunate this time, having better chance.
To court number 5,
And
please.
putting the ball outside, and Adarsh break the service and leading 1-0, very crucial stage. And he can, because Adarsh is having his good service and he can hold his service. If he hold the service, the pressure will be back on Divesh now. But this time, what we can say, this little upper edge of Adarsh breaking the service is very important in the very first game of the final set. So what we can say, the sky is little clouded here, and very beautiful atmosphere at this Mumbai tennis stadium, which is the main complex of Maharashtra Tennis Association at Mumbai. So incorporate the posh area of Mumbai. The boys are doing better than, whereas in court number 1, this Deb Javed, the India number 2, is defeated by Terence Das 6-1, 6-2 in the semi-final, and Terence Das has entered the final of this under 12 ITA Nationals here at Mumbai. So Deb Javed could not play whatever we have seen today. He is playing little bit loop and losing his momentum, and could not make it a good fighting match. It's a one-side key tussle in favor of Terence Das. So now we can see in the court number 1, this is little bit relaxing here after winning the first game, and Divesh is playing very good game in this national, and he can make comeback and he can win. It will not be a very surprise to all of us that if the Divesh win this semi-final, because he is doing better job and playing very cool and patience game, sometime attacking and sometime making very defensive. So he has having experience as well as good skills. Whereas the question of Adarsh is not so much of a experience, but he's a little bit talented boy from Andhra Pradesh and is having the good service. That is the edge upper edge of Adarsh. Is a good server and having good hard hitter, and his left-hander moreover one advantage is of his left hand. So second game in progress now. Divesh to receive, second game. Oh, coming little bit forward and placing the ball this time, not making it the smash shot, because he knows the value of the every point, each point in this final set, and making patience here and serving second time. 15 love. You see left hand service is side spin, giving a side spin, and it's very difficult for the player. Good shot by Divesh. Cross court attack this time. It's a 15 all. Favorable atmosphere for Divesh because he's playing in the temperature of 30 almost at Sonipat in Haryana. Good serve once again. Placement by Adarsh Dipabatla has make his patience, and in spite of his hitting skills, he dropped the ball there and make the point. It's 30-15. Oh, once again, good volley there. This time Divesh playing better game, but little bit is coming forward, making some attacks, and not losing his patience as he done usually. Now serving. Good serve once again, and this 2 love up. Good serve. As I have already told you, that's his upper edge is serving. His hard server and a little bit giving directions, momentum, and some variations in the service, and making it 2 love 2 for Divesh, making it very difficult now. Divesh to serve now in the third game, losing 0-2. Good serve, and it's 15 love. Fighting better. Divesh is doing much better. His
G2 to the referee's office. G2.
fault. So second service, love 50, love 15 love. Again on the line. Is making errors now. His error may cost him more because it is a short ball. He should do some drops and can hit the ball down the line here. Now 30 love. Good shot by Divesh here. Cross court attack. Beautiful. No chance for others here to tackle the ball. It's 40 love, I think. Good shot once again down the line on this time. 40-15 in the third game. Very crucial game for Divesh. Yes, he's losing his patience again and hitting the ball outside, and it's 2-1 up again. Dipabatla. To break this service will be very important for Divesh here. If he break the service, it will be equalizer, and then it could be anybody's game, because some pressure will be there on others, and he may commit errors because he is not much experience as well as Divesh is having. So Divesh is having his experience, and but this time this talented boys from Andhra Pradesh, Adarsh is having better skills here and having good serve. That is the edge. But all fighting in this third set is making very important. In the first three games, we have seen that first two games, Adarsh committed no mistakes and doing some drops and short ball converted into the points. But in the third game, he could not do the same and making errors. But here, Divesh could not make much more impressive shots. But only one cross-court shot was very impressive by Divesh. But although other points was gifted by Adarsh in the third game. Now again this cloudy atmosphere here, this is in favor of Adarsh now because he is serving against sun and there is a cloud in the sky and this can advantage to this Adarsh here. So let us see what happened. This time he's again leading by 2-1 in the final set. Can you speak something, comment? I can ask.